Hello everyone, we are grateful to have you with us again today. My name is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network. Here walking around a 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport with you. If you're on our YouTube page, please don't forget, like, subscribe, and comment below what you think about the Wrangler. Also, don't forget to smash that bell. That'll get you notifications about our walkarounds as they're made. We're trying to be as transparent as possible and to show you the things that will not show up in our 100 high-definition photos that are located on our website. If you'd like to see those photos, plus everything else that we offer, please visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the very end of this video, you'll be able to hear the engine running on the Wrangler, so let's go ahead and get that walk around started. Okay, here we go. We're running around this Jeep. Won't take long. She's in great shape. As you can see, there's still some good tread life remaining on these tires. And the front looks impeccable for a Jeep that's about to be 4 years old with a little over 37,000 miles. No dents, dings, heavy scratches, scrapes. This thing is in well above average condition for the year-end miles that are on it. Whoever had it took really good care of it. That hard plastic top, removable top, is in great condition as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior, shall we? Okay, let's show you what doesn't show up in our photos, which is this side of the visors. What would normally be a headliner, but in this case will be this side of the hardtop. And then the top of the dash. If you have any questions about interior or exterior condition, call Jennifer. Her name and number is located at the bottom of your screen. Also, you can ask her about financing or shipping options. We'd be happy to answer those questions as well. Don't forget to stay tuned and listen to the engine running on this. We will see you next time.